Hey guys, welcome into the broadcast today for In the Booth with Earl Hall. You guys said that you wanted me to produce a video that would actually show you how I produce videos. So I'm going to show you that in this video today. So I'm super excited about bringing this to you. I don't know if this is annoying. I don't know. Maybe it looks cool to you. I have no idea, but I have two mics. No explanation required. Anyway, so we're going to get off into this. So let me see if I can't switch my screen. All right. So here's the platform, and this is for my affiliate website I'm affiliated with, www.earlhallvideopro.com. It's earlhallvideopro.com, and you can get to this. So this is my platform. Basically what you're going to see when you start editing videos and producing your own videos. One of the things that I love about this, like everyone's in voiceover, right? So let's say audio production, and you can look up all the videos and images and things of like that that go under audio production. So you see this little clip here that I'm showing of audio production, and let's see what else. Oh, this might be a cool one to use in a video. That you have that, a couple more things over here, and it gives you lets you see the video right there on screen. So let's see what we've got one over here. A lot of little stuff you can use. I mean, pretty much type in a word that, or a couple of words that you want to see, and you can find a plethora of different videos, excuse me, different videos that you can use. And then there's also different audio things that you can use as well. And not only that, but if you come over here, click on this, and you see this little music icon, a lot of different royalty-free music that you can use as well. So it's very helpful. What this is here, it's like text on a screen. You can kind of see the different motion text that they have, with that. And you can make these words come across the screen. The thing about these things is you can size them up or down. A lot of people like lower third type stuff. You see that there. They've got some other stuff here. A lot of, I've used this one here before. I've used this one, well, actually pretty much all of these. And if you just want like some basic text on the screen, you can just have that and be able to size that and move it around as well with this. So, and then when you come over here, I'm clicking on the folder with the star. These are all videos I've uploaded. So a lot of times I'll do a video like on my phone, and I'll upload it to the cloud or whatever, and then upload it into here. And it's got like every video, and I've been doing this for like about 2 years now. So I've got a lot of my own personal videos in here, even some stuff from my dad's 70th birthday party. This one here is me in the military. I was 18 years old. Oh my gosh. Going back to 1987. Ooh, boy, pictures of my wife and I. Different videos that I've just created on my own all over. Some videos I've downloaded from the net just to be able to use and different promotional things that I've done. But a lot of stuff, whatever video you can download, you can upload it to this service at earlhallvideopro.com, and you can really get some things going. So one of the processes that I use is just the ability to use my phone to record myself in a manner that I want to record, say what I have to say, then upload it here. Or I can just record it right from my webcam, like I'm creating this video using my webcam right on my PC, and then doing a screen share feature with another product that I use. Basically, what is that? Screen recorder, something along that nature. But what I want you to see here, I'm going to play a video that I just produced for a client, and I'll show you how I put that together. Are you laying awake at night worrying about losing your home? We know it's terrifying to be in foreclosure. There is hope. See, I use their logo. I even used their website. I took a screenshot of their website, did a recording of that. And this was for a commercial that I got paid $500 to produce. One job, a commercial. Crazy, right? A video commercial. All these little images, like this one here with the guy and talking to the two gals, this is all included in this package that I have at earlhallvideopro.com. This video of this woman lying in bed, same thing. Call us now at 800-619-84. And then I used basically their logo and just went ahead and started the process of blowing that up. So you can see the different areas here. So let's go back to the beginning. It's a timeline that's on the bottom here. So you can see these are the different videos that I used. This is video with this guy jumping up out of bed. This is included in this package for earlhallvideopro.com. And that's my affiliate link, earlhallvideopro.com. You know, this video here was just me taking a doing a recording of me being on their website and just kind of scrolling through, and you can kind of see it comes up and the website, I just scroll it. I'm just recording the screen and do that. This is a little bit more involved because it involves me using a lot of different royalty-free video clips that are included in the package that I have here at earlhallvideopro.com. And you can use these things. Oh, here's my daughter calling me. Gotta call her back. Anyway, you can use this package to basically produce whatever video you want for yourself. They've got the different transitions that you're able to use. Like you can see, okay, that kind of crossfade. You can see the cross blur, the cross zoom. They've got a bunch of different fades you can use. I normally stick with these top three. Sometimes I use the cross mosaic. But basically these three, the cross fade, the cross blur, and the cross zoom, because they're pretty standard across the board. But there's a lot of other things. There's this cross hatch one. I think I've used this before. And then also you've got these different backgrounds that you can use as well. So you can have these different backgrounds playing over top of the, playing behind the videos that you have. I mean, a bunch of different stuff. Even if you just need solids, different color solids, you can have overlays where these things will show up on screen. I actually use this one for a product that I have on alignwithyourpurpose.co. But a couple of different things you can do. Even got the countdown screen. We've got frames that you can use as well. So let's check out the frames. So if you want to add a frame back there, you can create your own stuff and actually use them in the same manner as well. But if you've got products like Canva or even Adobe products like Adobe Photoshop, there's a lot of different things you can use. So you've got all this stuff. You've got the crossfades, basically the transitions, and then you've got the music. You know, you've got some music there. We've even got sound effects. We've got animal sound effects, hospital, traffic, people. Let's take a look in the people. Actually, I've never looked in the people one and see what's going on. Year-old boy laughing. Okay, children whispering, running away. A lot of different things you can use to create some really, really great videos that'll stand out. And always being able to use words on top of your videos is going to be key, like introducing you. Like I use, one of the ones that I use is I use this lower third sometimes, and I'll just say primary text, Earl Hall, secondary text, voiceover, business development expert or mentor. I've used this lower third before, or title. Actually, this one is the lower third. I've used this one. A lot of different things that are in here that will just make your videos pop. So, excuse me, I wanted to show you this. And once again, you know, you can upload all of your videos here. that you have on from your phone or whatever. See, that's the little logo that I uploaded. Here's a little video of the recording of that website I was telling you about. So I just recorded the screen on that website so that I could use that. I've got different folks with different testimonial videos. I created this whole testimonial video for voiceover.
There are so many ways of getting work today that many...
And basically this whole video of testimonials was created by me and the people that submitted the testimonials. So I was able to use their videos and interject them into here. And let's see what else is on here. Yeah, this is one quick short video.
Really good stuff. Thank you so much, man.
And that's amazing, right? To be able to do that. But that's what this is the package that I use. So you can check out earlhallvideopro.com and you can see if this is something that you're going to want to utilize in the creation of your videos for your things like your like on Fiverr, for the videos that you have, videos that you want to create for your web page or your social media or whatever. You can really make them pop like this. So hopefully this and what you're going to see on this video with this video is I recorded everything from my screen and now I'm going to upload it to this software so that I can create the YouTube video so that you'll see that as well. All right, so hope that made sense to you, all the stuff that I was doing on screen. But it becomes very, very simple to be able to put these things together and to be able to create something that will really pop for you online, whether it's on freelance sites, your website, again, social media, whatever it is that you want to produce, it's going to make it pop. So thanks for tuning into this video. Right below, what are you using now to create your videos, or are you creating videos? Was this that I showed you impactful for you? Did it mean anything to you that I created this video? Let me know in the comments, whatever comments or questions you have. And I'll see you guys on the next episode of In the Booth with Earl Hall. You take care.